Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the format of your background on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the home icon down below, which is the first option indicated by the image of a house. And now at this page you are ready to select from your presentation, so click on the relevant one that you would like to edit. Now click on the button at the top of the screen, which is the image of a pencil and the letter A. Click on it again till you find this home category in the middle of the screen. Tap on design, click on the last one, format background, and now you can choose from a vast variety of options such as solid fill. You need to select theme colors here, and also there are standard colors. You can also fill it with a picture, so click on the insert picture button, choose from a picture from your gallery. And you can also adjust its transparency by selecting the right format in using the scale. By going back, you can also reset your background by tapping on the reset background option. If you go back to the previous page, you can save your presentation with all the changes that you have made by tapping on the done icon in the upper left corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.